In less than 5 minutes I'm going to show you how to remove front final drive, aka front differential, on your favorite Nissan Titan. Yeah, everything's in details, what kind of tools to use. As you can see, my truck is already up in air on a jack stand. Let's get started. First I'm going to wire brush and clean the threads of all bolts I have to remove and spray them with the penetrating oil. Same thing on another side. As you can see, they're pretty dirty. It will make our life much easier. Alright, 12 mil. Let's remove engine skid plate. As you can see, bolt snapped. It hasn't been removed in years. Alright, now I'm using 17 mil socket and a wrench. Let's remove the cross member bolts. Yeah, same thing on the opposite side. Guys, if this video is helpful, informational, put a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, very appreciated that. Let's remove the cross member. As you can see, it came out pretty easy. Yep. Alright, now I'm using my braking bar to lock the wheel from turning, and let's remove our drive shafts. I'm using a 14 mil wrench. Let's remove those bolts. Yeah, and separate a drive shaft from the front final drive. Same way we're going to do on another side. Right, as you can see, pretty easy. It came apart. Now let's clean our propeller shaft bolts and spray them with the penetrating oil. If you're going to reinstall your front final drive, make a reference mark with a propeller shaft. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to replace my front final drive. Okay, I'm removing propeller shaft mounting bolts. Bolts are out. Let's just tilt the shaft down. Now let's go up and clean our front final drive mounting bolts to the frame. You spray them with a penetrating oil. Jack is ready underneath to support our front final drive. Let's remove the first bolt. I'm not going to pull the bolt all the way. I will take a nut off. We're removing the driver's side front bolt, and as you can see, I removed the nut. Now I'm going to passenger side, doing the same, but I will leave the bolts in and we'll remove them later. Okay, one more bolt at the pinion gear at the back. As you can see, let's get that bolt out. Guys, if you have any comments, questions, critics, suggestions, put everything down in the comment section below under the video. Okay, let's pull the bolt out. It's get pretty rusted, and now we're ready to load down our front final drive a little bit more. Let's punch the bolts out and pull them all the way out completely. Here we go, bolts are out, and there's a vent line at the very top of the gearbox. Undo that. You can just cut it close to the fitting. There's a tons of slack on that line. Here we go. Yeah, now we'll just safely load down a front final drive, and yeah, see that line. Yeah, you just can cut it and yeah, reconnect it to the new one. Yeah, pretty straightforward. Let's drop the front final drive down, and here we go. Yeah, pretty easy, pretty straightforward. I'm not going to rebuild this one. We're going to put used, known, good front final drive. I got this one from the junkyard for $175. Yeah, with a 3 months warranty, and seems like everything's good with that. Here we go. A new one installed. Everything's in place. Yeah, good to go. Thank you so much, guys, for your time watching this video. Appreciated that. And yeah, more videos are coming up. See you soon. Take care. Bye bye.